I'm going to show you the profile system. It's actually very simple. I'm reluctant to call it profiles at all, really. It's not that configurable. It's just a simple system where you can set volume levels, whether it vibrates on and off. You can set separate volumes for the ringtone and for the system sounds. And a separate section here in the settings for setting the actual tones. It's a number to select from, of course, not very cleverly named. You can sample them all. I'm going to show you how the speaker independent voice command system works. We're going to press the button over here on
Say a command.
Go to Traffic. This is going to pull up the navigation system and show us traffic in the local area. The image is starting to pull up, and you can see that there is no traffic on Interstate I-95 right next to us here. It only takes a few seconds for the GPS system to get a location fix, which is pretty good. This time we'll use the search system.
Say a command.
Go to Search. It's loading the search application. The first thing we're going to search for in the local area is a department store chain called Kohl's. Now, oddly, Kohl's is spelled with a K, like the German spelling. So you're going to see that it's actually still going to figure out what we're looking for, even though it's going to be looking initially for a different spelling. So I'm going to hold down the button here. Kohl's. And now it's searching. You can see that little yellow disc spinning around means it's searching online. And just came back with a bunch of selections. If I tap on this one, you can see that's the Kohl's department store, and that's right down the street from us. You can then get a map of it. And once you have the map, you can also get directions. We'll go back and try something just a little different. Dairy Queen. And you can see it found all the local Dairy Queens in the area. The search function works quite well, actually. It automatically knows where you are based on the GPS and finds just about anything you're looking for. I'm going to send a text message, show you how the editor works. Create a new message here. Send it to Mr. Hand. And we'll choose his mobile number. Editor comes up automatically, and I'm going to show you how the correction mode works by mistyping the word works. You can see that works is now highlighted because I typed I instead of O. But if I click on it, tap on it rather, you can see it comes up with corrections. That one happens to be the one I'm looking for. If I were to do that again, you can see that I actually have options for turning on autocorrect. It'll automatically change that based on which letters it thinks I should have been using instead of what I actually typed. I find the keyboard to work pretty well. It's haptic feedback and clicks on every button press, and the keys are spaced pretty nicely. Overall, it just feels pretty good. I mean, it's never going to replace a hardware keyboard, but it's still pretty nice as far as on-screen keyboards go. So there we have the message. It's already addressed to Mr. Hand, and we're just going to send that off. I'm going to start up the phone here. You can see that the lock screen comes up initially. We have to hold down the button a bit to get it to unlock. And while we were gone, if you look here in the main menu, you can see this star on the voicemail thing, showing that we have a new visual voicemail message. This message right up here with a little star on it. Just tap on it.
Leaving a test visual voicemail message.
So you can see the number it came from. You can hear the message. You can listen to it again.
This is Michael Orr from levelburn.com, leaving a test visual
And you
voicemail.
can delete it or call the person back right from there. Here's a simple notes facility in the Instinct S30. You can see we have a pre-entered a note here. And can edit it if we like. Add more text to it. Easy to add new notes as well.